Hello and welcome to week 5 in Geometry 202A. I am your new teacher, Mrs. Highfill. I'm going to be taking over for Mrs. Power. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to IM me, send me a K-mail, give me a call. All of my contact information can be found in your classroom under teacher contact information. And I've also sent that out in an email. So first of all, Monday we had no school. I hope you enjoyed the day off, and if you are behind, I hope you spend it getting caught up. On Tuesday, February 18th, we are going to jump into part 2, which is lesson 2.02 of reasoning, arguments, and proofs. So you should have done the first part, lesson 2.01, on Friday. So the first thing that you're going to do is watch the video lesson. And then after that, you're going to click on 202 lesson in the navigation bar. You're going to go through all of the slides. After that, you're going to work the practice problems. So you're going to click on Unit 2 resources, U2 materials, and then you're going to work problems 13 through 23 odd. Check your answers because none of this stuff is for a grade. All this stuff is just getting you ready. And then you're going to take the quiz, which is 2.02 in the LMS. So to kind of show you around a little bit to make sure, because I know a lot of you guys are new, your screen will look a little bit different because you have the student version and this one's the teacher version, but it's pretty much the same. So the first thing you're going to do is go click on the Unit 2. That tab's going to come down. You're going to click here for all Unit 2 video lessons. So you should have already watched the proof number 1, but if you haven't, you can watch that one. Then make sure that you watch proof number 2. And so you're going to click on that. It's going to take you to YouTube. Watch that video. Okay, it's under 15 minutes, so it's doable. And then after that, you're going to go down here to 202 Reasoning Arguments Proof 2. And it's going to come up with its own little lesson. So you're going to click right there, and then you're going to click through those slides, make sure that you understand everything. After that, you're going to come back up here to where it says Unit 2 Resources, and you're going to click on the materials. Now, a separate pop-up window is going to pop up, so make sure that you have your pop-up blocker turned off. Okay, and then so this separate pop-up bar is going to come up. It's going to look like this. You're going to scroll down to Lesson 2, Reasoning, Arguments, and Proof, Part 2. You're going to click on the problem set, and a PDF is going to open up, and you're going to work problems 13 through 23 odd. Okay, after you've done that, go back to the pop-up window, and then click Solutions. And then it's going to give you the solutions, and a lot of times going to tell you not just the answer, but how they worked it out as well. Okay, and then once you feel like you're good and you're ready to go, then you're going to take the 2.02 quiz. So it is 30 minutes, so you can begin it, and as long as you're done within 30 minutes, then you're good to go. And that's going to be the basic format for all of the lessons. Okay, so on Wednesday, it's going to be the same thing, only we're going to start with 2.03 conditional statements. So watch the video lesson, then click on the 203 lesson and go through all the slides. Work the practice problems by clicking on Unit 2 Resources, U2 Materials, and then work problems 1 through 13 odd. Make sure that you go and check your answers every single time. Okay, you want to make sure that you're doing it right. And then you're going to take quiz 2.03 in the LMS. On Thursday, February 20th, you're going to do the second part of conditional statements, which is lesson 2.04. So watch that video lesson, click on the 2.04 lesson in the navigation bar and work through that. Then you're going to work the practice problems. So again, Unit 2 resources, U2 materials, work problems 19 through 27 odd, 32, and 33. There is no quiz for this one. There's going to be a discussion instead. The discussion is open for the week. So it's not due today, but it does open up. It's going to be due next Thursday, February 27th. And it's really important that you get the discussion done because the discussion, once it closes, it can't be made up again. It doesn't hold the 4-week true that all of the other ones hold. So make sure that you get the discussion done this week. And then Friday, February 21st, you're going to do 2.07, which is compound statements. So again, watch that video lesson, then click on the 2.07 lesson in the navigation bar. Work the practice problem. So you're going to scroll down to lesson 7 in that in that pop-up bar where the materials are at, and you're going to work problems 1 through 25 odd, and then check your answers. And then after that, you're going to take the 2.07 mid-unit test. So it won't just cover the stuff that you just learned in 2.07. It's going to cover 2.01 through 2.07. So make sure that you understand all of that. Just a few other items. Make sure you're coming to Class Connect this Thursday. We are going to keep CC the same time, which is going to be 1 p.m. Make sure that you're there. A surprise will await you, and you have to be there in order to get it. If you're not there, you can't get it. Okay, so make sure you come, and you have to stay until the end. Tutoring is on Thursday with me, so you can come to my tutoring. It will be 3 to 4 p.m. You can also go to TOGA, which is tutoring for everybody, and it's available Monday through Thursday from 3 to 4. And I will be there on Tuesday if you want to come to see me and ask me questions. And I hope you have a great and productive week.